This 200-year-old brewing method makes the cleanest, purest coffee you've ever had. Siphon brewing is unlike any other method. Instead of forcing water through the coffee, it uses heat and vacuum pressure to create a natural infusion, allowing the grounds to steep fully before filtering. The result? A coffee that's smooth, clear, and packed with every subtle flavor the beans have to offer. Kazumi brings this time-tested method into the modern world. Inspired by Japanese craftsmanship, it's designed for seamless brewing, ensuring every cup is rich, balanced, and free from anything that doesn't belong. Just the coffee, exactly as it should be. Experience the method that changed coffee forever. Rediscover brewing with Kazumi.